Alrighty guys, on our way to Pine Grove Cave, we found a really cool old abandoned house we're going to investigate. I don't really have any background info on it, but it's on the way. We can't resist. It looks too cool. Looks in kind of rough shape. We'll see what we find. I'm joined by Angela, Ashby, and Rusty. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Ashby's YouTube channel, link in the description. And without further ado, let's go check it out. Okay, here's my good buddy Rusty. We are approaching the creepy, mysterious abandoned house. Looks a little rough from this angle, so we're gonna investigate the back first. Got an old power line here. That is interesting. The wood's looking a bit rough. How's it look up here?
Oh, it's pretty good. It's stable.
Ooh, that's my foot. Gotta be real careful on these old wooden floors.
Oh, the ceiling's blue. Look at that. I didn't even see that.
I don't think I'm gonna use those stairs.
Oh, they're good.
Are they really?
I tested them.
This side of the floor looks a bit rough.
I didn't see the ceiling's blue. Yeah.
Ah, that is an interesting color. But before we go to the downstairs level, Ashby pointed out there's a staircase to this attic. Woo! This is super cool. I'm not gonna walk out on this, but what an awesome little find we had on our way to the caves. Let's go check out downstairs. Here we got our downstairs level. Pink walls. Interesting choice of color.
They cut all this limestone. Look at the masonry work with it.
Wow. That is awesome. That's hand cut, huh? Huge dead spider. That just goes upstairs. Here's the other room. Must have been the basement. What a cool little find. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tiny little house we found. If you enjoy adventures like this in caves, please like and subscribe. And also, subscribe to this guy's YouTube channel, Outdoor Adventures with Ashby. He has really awesome stuff. You will love it. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I'll catch you all next time.